Serious.
Star Wars Legos.
Ooh, I got a hat.
Hey.
It was like real life on the TV.
What are you whining for?
He won't go back.
Gabriel Isaac.
I already got a hat.
Do you see him with a hat on? No.
Well, he's trying to shoot me, so I shot him. Hurry up.
Do it.
Hurry up. See, Mimo?
No. Don't kill me.
Don't whine.
Who is who?
I can't tell anymore.
I'm the brown one. No, you get a hat then. Grab baby.
Get a hat, Jensen. Don't you do that! Jensen, wait! Okay, if he kills you, I'm gonna let him. I don't care.
Why is this pure entertainment?
I think it's hilarious.
He's videotaping it.
Yeah. I've been videotaping for like almost 2 minutes.
All right.
Who are you, Dougie?
Hey.
Well, I just got killed.
Yes.
Kim? Oh,
Dang.
my mom? She's in there.
If you get one, then you have to let me get one.
Hurry up, get it.
What
Jensen,
the
stop!
heck? Jensen!
Hurry, Gabe,
No.
please, get it.
No.
Okay, there you go.
No, everybody's got a chance to get dressed.
We don't have
Just
one.
call. If anybody else calls, tell them I died until tomorrow.
You died until tomorrow?
You bet. Now.
Okay.
Jensen!
Let me get one first.
Okay, then you have to let me get one. And I'm not gonna kill you. Wait!
Jensen, you have to wait.
Exactly. Same day, same hour. That's why you was 100 years old.
Exactly 100
Well, she's gonna watch her phone because I can't answer any more phone. I'm trying to get washed and dressed, and the phone hasn't stopped.
It literally
Calling
has
you to
to
say
stop.
happy birthday.
Between that and the people I'm juggling to my retreat.
Help me.
Happy birthday, thank you.
Go get wise.
I will.
Yes, Lizard.
I'm gonna go
Out of the
to
house.
Elizabeth.
I'm trying. I'm trying.
Call a lizard.
Your little brother, would you like to talk to him? Okay. Gabriel. What do I do, Jensen?
Hello?
Who am I?
You're already
this
over
one.
there.
Okay.
Hello? You called me